Playlist. Zulu Wuku Doo Doo Poo. Hashtag Bolt is what the fuck here, big car.
You smashed that. Nice work.
T20. Option. What?
You just make Simon say weird things.
Zulu Wuku Doo Doo Poo.
Simon's good at saying weird
And
things.
the thing goes Zulu. Zulu. Wuku.
The thing goes Zulu Wuku Doo Doo Poo.
Fucking the accent, man.
Look,
Oh my god.
What happened?
I'm yelling, yeah, yeah. 10 of you, but 1 of me. Yeah, yeah. I'm a different kind of G. I'm a different kind of G.
Ooh, I'm ancient in a jungle and I'm back.
It's like a monkey in a
So
jungle.
everything ancient is a monkey.
No, but there's a jungle around us, Simon.
Oh no, that's too close now. That 14 fucked me.
Josh with the breathing.
I've been finished.
I was doing the creeping, and now I'm not creeping no more.
Okay, I'll pass that.
Wait, can I like cheat the system?
No, what is going on?
I thought that.
So where's the hole?
He turned him to Josh
Nick.
popped to Gollum real quick.
Nick. I think I'd go that one. I don't know why. I think I'd go that one. No! I hope you enjoyed the test. Results. B+. Almost an A. Almost an A minus. What? Well, lemon shot. Thanks for that. Let's do another one. Okay. Basically, I didn't want to get drunk, so I thought lemon juice would be... that was a big shot. Here we go. I got one more. Don't get this wrong.
So there must be another person here at least, because the police car isn't here.
But unless they got the police car and went.
Someone just ripped ass.
I know you guys are all like, oh, I did this first time. And I know it's probably very easy, but I'm struggling. All right? You're just going to have to face it. I'm shit at games. Okay. Oh my god. Oh! I didn't remember something! That didn't even make sense. That wasn't English. Oh, motherfucker! Oh!
Ooh.
Oh, headshot, baby! Last night, guys, I couldn't sleep because I was...
Jesus! Jesus!
I don't like it.
Disgusting!
Disgusting! We're trying to do that a chat. Sorry.
And before I can just do it like this. Oh my god. How am I not make... Oh, okay, I actually need to go... really? I have to go that whole way? That's a bit dumb. This is a bit far, isn't it? Considering if I fall, it's all over. What the... Done. 22. 22 seconds is good. Fam, this was a new bottle, and it's down to there already. Like, it's down to here. That's 3 shots. Okay, I'm good. Oh, Vic. Oh.
Sit down. Be gentle. Sit down.
Oh,
It's not a lyric.
Nice.
no.
Oh, Vic, it said be gentle.
Be gentle.
Whereabouts to-
No.